Oh hell yeah, dude. My microphone's muted. What's up, dude? Dev Gods, Greg, I'm on your Discord. Been watching your stuff all this time. Pretty much, you know, like you're an inspiration right now. I certainly got no idea what I'm doing, but let's see if I can get something going. Gameplay queue dot AI dot can attack. Cool. So let's see. This effect is gonna trigger 30% of the time, and when it does, it's gonna do a queue, and that queue is going to be a gameplay queue. Notify actor. No. How did I do this one? Notify actor. Notify actor. GCN AI attack probability. Attack probability. So this one's just gonna be an instant effect, and when it happens, I want this one to execute on execute on the target that we have. We are going to send gameplay event to this actor. We're gonna say, hey, when this effect is applied, when it gets applied, I want to add an event tag. And I've been a little bit messy with all my naming, like event AI received block. Okay, so I should probably do something similar to that. Event AI can attack. So event.ai.can attack, add new tag, sending that to the owner. That's all this queue is going to be doing. Let's see if it works. AI attack base on event tag. Let's see if I also want him to like this one. I'm gonna change it to montage and wait for event. This is the deflection which happens, and I'm making it into the AI's attack ability. So like for whatever attack that they do, they might have a specific what do you say, deflect animation compared to like other like animations, because animation deflection I think is very specific to the kind of animation that the AI should be playing. And since I'm using Cascadeur, it is a lot easier for me to just make the animations myself instead of trying to like look into Mixamo and going like, hey, like wrecking my head around like why. Even after I find the animation, I'll have to retarget it to the Unreal Engine 5 mannequin, and then I have to, you know, like see if, wait, what was I doing? So can attack. This gameplay effect must be executed before the montage plays. So gameplay effect class, gameplay effect probability. So when that happens, it can attack. Cool, that's nice. Let's see if it works. So if the AI receives this scan attack, I want it to then play another animation, chaining up more attacks, and I want it to be kind of probability based because I know, like, not all the time the bosses or things that you have will do the same thing again and again. So let's see. This will only happen after he deflects his attack, so... Okay, that's not happening. So I guess the effect... I do have the probability at 0.3. Let's see if it works one more time. If it does not, let's change the effect probability to be 1 instant. Yeah, attack base, apply gameplay effect to owner. Let's see if it works now. I have like a little dash effect going. I'll lock on. Let me block this guy's attack. Okay, it's not working, so that means this gameplay cue is not triggering. And I think I know the reason why. I didn't say this is the cue, can attack. Okay. So now I think it should logically work. Let's see. I'm gonna block this guy's attack and it should print out a string saying can attack if the probability is 1. Well, it did not work, so I'm tripping, I'm clearly tripping. On execute, cast to AI base, BP AI base. Should be the base AI which I'm using for all my calculations. See if that fixes the issue. Okay, he's not, the event is not getting sent, so let's see, gameplay effect probability, require modifier success to trigger cues. No, no. Not modifying anything, so okay, it still does not work. I'm clearly tripping. Event tag, event AI can attack. This gets triggered. Make spec handle. Effects, apply gameplay effects spec to the target. Let's do target. What? Spec to self. No. Apply effect. Make gameplay effect spec handle. Make spec handle of gameplay and effect probability, effect spec handle over there. Oh, okay. Cool. So this is happening, but it's not receiving the AI can attack. Maybe if I disable this, stop when ability ends, so it'll play the whole deflection montage. Maybe that gives us enough time for it to print the can attack. Maybe that's the problem. See, dash close to him, lock onto him if my middle mouse works. It's good. Just gotta blow into the middle mouse. Okay, does not work. So this gameplay effect. What if this just grants a tag, which is gonna be event, AI event, can attack. Maybe this will work, maybe this will not. But it's not a gameplay event though. It's just looking for the tags. If it works, it works. Okay, it does not work. Could do it with an ability, man, but it just seems so convoluted. Okay, it does not work. So let's look at my implementation of the parry. See where where exactly am I getting this received block? I know I'm doing it by what do you call it? My block ability. So say I'm playing the block montage. I'm checking if the players block the attack. Oh wait, I'm actually applying this effect. So this is the player blocking the attack. There's also when the AI, like, you know, does the strike and then gets its attack blocked. And when it does get its attack blocked, it gets an event tag which basically has it playing the deflect animation. So I'm gonna look at that one first. So AI received block, and I'm doing this AI received block in my notify trace. So the damage trace that I'm doing, I'm sending in a handle instant damage and a handle block, and the block is being done on the character. It's calling an interface call on the damaged character, like whatever overlaps in that damage trace. I'm asking it, hey, do this damage block interface and send in the details of the damage owner, the owner of the damage, that is going to be the boss, and the target, which is going to be us, which the interface is going to send the data to. So I'm going to look at my base character who's getting that data, and I have it, that's handling hit stop, that's handling lock on, handle block. Oh wait, I did it. This is on the AI's base because the AI is blocking it. So on handle damage. Not doing anything. Wait, where am I setting up the block again? Bro. Oh, I am doing it on my base character, my bad. So that's the lock on, that's the handle hit stop, switching equipment, locking on, damage, oh there it is. That's a hit stop, wait. Where am I doing this? Where am I doing this, bro? This is why I should like document my projects a lot more. Oh, I know. Because I'm not implementing that on the characters themselves. I'm actually doing that on the blocking actor. So I'm like spawning like an actor which has like a collision sphere, and whenever like you interact with that collision sphere, you actually call that interface. So this is like the subclass of that. I got the main class of the defense actor. Where is it? Sword, blueprint, sword defense Q. Yeah, this is the one. Yeah, here I'm calling handle block, which is sending a event AI receive block. So it is sending that event from an actor blueprint. So I guess that's the difference that it makes. I was trying to do it with a gameplay queue notify, which is probably not the way to go, so I'll delete that. Unreal hopefully does not crash. Gameplay effect probability. Gameplay queue, no. I'll have this class still. I'm just gonna implement the the gameplay event, like send gameplay event on something. So wait, gameplay effect probability. Say I apply it to the AI character. I would ideally want the AI character to have a handle in his base class which sends itself an event. Man. Okay, I think I know how to do this. So I have my AI base. I wanted to handle can attack, so maybe I'll do it in the same interface that I was using before. Handle hit stop. Yeah, it's my damage interface. So when I do handle block, when I do handle Control D, handle can attack probability. I'm gonna say just send an attack event. I don't. Oh wait, I can send the event to self. Yeah, damage dealer, which will be an actor reference, which we can use later. So handle can attack probability. Let's set the implementation for that. So Control Shift S, save, compile and save this so you can get that interface working. So in my AI base, I go to handle can attack probability. I'll implement this, and I'm gonna say, hey, when you do this to the damage dealer, send gameplay event to actor, and this one is going to be the AI can attack event. And where do I want to trigger this? I probably should not have deleted the queue, because I think that would have been like the best way to do it for application purposes. So I'll do GCN gameplay queue notify, rename it again, GCN attack probability queue. I already have the queue name tag already set. So this one is gonna be AI can attack queue, which will get when the effect is done, and on execute. On execute, I'm gonna cast to see base character, so base AI character. AI base, and the reason why I'm casting to this class, even though everybody's like, hey, casting is so bad, actually, yeah, I made an interface. I don't know why I'm casting. I just need to do handle can attack probability on this, and I'm sending the damage dealer as, you know, himself. But maybe for this I should give an actor. Yeah, it's okay, it's an actor object reference, it should work. Compile, save, gameplay effect probability. Let me close this damage trace, my base character. So this one's gonna execute the AI can attack queue. The queue is gonna send an interface call to my AI base, which is gonna send the gameplay event, and that event is gonna be checked. Yeah, you're gonna check for this gameplay event, so that's gonna be the event AI can attack, not this. This one's the queue tag. So see if it works right now. Control Shift S, play, get close to him, lock onto him. As soon as he finishes moving to his location, he's gonna do the strike. Okay, I didn't check if the attack got blocked or not. Nope, that did not work. Wait. I know what that problem is. I don't want to worry about it right now. Gameplay queue notify, handle can attack probability, return true, gameplay effect probability. So it's not receiving the AI can attack. How did I do it in my defense queue actor? Because I know I had a lot of trouble dealing with that. Let's see, maybe in my queue actor. Maybe in my queue actor I can say handle attack probability, or just cast to AI base. Flight, gameplay queue, probably, probability, no probably. Let's see. Nope, still does not work. Still does not fucking work, man. Clear all, compile, save. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. Infinite? I'm kind of using that to do state machine. I'm using gameplay effects to have it basically work as a state machine when I have certain states on my character. Say like he's jumping, I always apply like an effect state where I say, hey, this is going to be like your current state when this effect is applied, and it mostly for readability purpose to see if whatever. So the gameplay queue is not getting executed here, is it? Maybe I should do that one on activate. Maybe it'll work. Come on, tag me fast. Nope. Nope. Why make a directional block? That's why. Come on, focus on me. Stop moonwalking now. So the deflect did happen, but Axis not trying to hide. Yeah, that's this. Class defaults. Let's do auto attach toner and see if that works. If not, I'm gonna do that on handle gameplay queue. What is this? What is this? Well, yeah, dude, duh, of course it was not gonna work, because I did not implement this interface here at all. This should be the damage interface. You need it on both for it to work, yeah? Man, lock on, bro. Cool. I'm gonna hit block as soon as he attacks. Okay. Still didn't do anything. Like, not getting any probability actors working right now. The gameplay queue is not spawning. Well, at least the deflect animation's working. That's good to know. Yeah, I shouldn't have that. On event AI can attack, you apply this effect, which has a probability to apply, which triggers the gameplay queue, and that gameplay queue, it see if any of these work here on handle gameplay queue. To the target, do that, damage dealer. Class defaults. Don't use auto attach to owner. Unique instance. Start with tick enabled. Oh yeah, you do have tick events for this. The gameplay effect's not applying. That's the problem. Let's see if it applies now. Come on, man. Lock in, lock in. Draw your sword out. Lock in. Wait for him to attack. Attack, do it, do it, do it. Nope, still not working. Still not working. Should be a way for me to debug AI gameplay effects. Let's see, just doing a little bit of googling, man, on the side. Debugging gas. Right, okay, cool. Let's see. Show debug ability system. Next target. Yeah, that's the target. So that's the boss controller. A little bit noise status. Can I get his... Can I get this guy's gameplay effects? He's focused on me, he's idle. So I'm moving. Previous target, okay, wait. That is show debug ability system.debug next category, next target. Man, next target. Bro. Okay, wait. Show debugability system. I messed up. I messed up. Three abilities. Let's see. No. He has no gameplay effects. He has an ability, but this one does not activate on him. So spec to target. Target will be I didn't really catch if the so I did take damage there, did I? No. So it's not working, man. It's not working at all. Yeah, like I just figured out that so in the gameplay ability debug system, like I can page up and down to like figure out which one it is, but I cannot get any of the gameplay effects that are being applied on whatever debug target that I'm looking at. It's much easier to get it for my own, like the player character. If I even have it in multiplayer, for each screen I can check the debug duration, check whatever effects that I have applied, but I just can't seem to get the effect details for the AI. But apparently I just figured that out, because you got the gameplay debugger, and I just gotta press the numpad 3 and it shows the gameplay effects and gameplay abilities for all the AI in our scene, I believe. So that's good. That's nice to know. And the problem seems to be that the effect which I want to apply with probability is not being applied, not to the AI. And the reason why I wanted to apply with the gameplay effect is because, you know, it would, what do you call it? It'll have a chance of the probability to apply, and every time like I have my attack blocked, I want the boss to like see if the probability is true. If it is true, then he does another like quick ass attack where he does like a double slash, which I have an animation for that. It's not as polished as that overhead swinging animation, but that's ideally how I wanted to work. Like when he gets that block data, just want him to do that certain thing. So wait, what if I call an interface call over here? Class settings, I'm gonna do a BPI interface, damage interface, name and receive block. For playing that, I'm gonna say owner AI, get the owner AI, do a handle can attack probability. Can handle attack probability message. Send the damage dealer here as well. Do that, and maybe instead of this event AI can attack probability, I can send, instead of doing the send gameplay event to actor, over here I can say to the damage dealer apply gameplay effect, make effect debug point on end ability to see if the ability is ending before the gameplay effect is getting applied. How do I do that? Like what is like a breakpoint? Before a debug point on end ability. What do you say? At a breakpoint? Okay. Let's see. It's been a while since like I used all the tools. Oh yeah, so right here, yeah? Like I added a breakpoint on the end ability over here. I've not used breakpoints in forever, man. Like I think I went to like a Unreal Engine class where they did that once, and I was like, okay, cool. I think I'm a little too smart for this shit. But then you come to realize, nah, you just fucking suck. Okay, so the wait, what the hell? Disable breakpoint. Maybe I should do it here. Okay, so that's working. And I have my whole thing like kind of glitched up over here. I get that. Should have had the gameplay debugger active before. So can attack probability sent. Probably this is where I need to look out for. When this happens, and that's not happening, man. That's not happening. I'm not sending gameplay events to my AI. I don't know why it's not working. Handle can attack properly. Let's see if I could just call the gameplay event on self. Gameplay event. Wait, gameplay event to actor. Send gameplay event to actor. Nope. 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 Wait, where am I? Where are all my debugs gone? Bro, I had like a bunch of print strings working, man. What the fuck, bro? Anyways, like, the few features that I did add were like hit stops. Uses gas for, uh, you know, doing all its replication and attribute checks. The only thing that I implemented right now are, what do you call it? So the orientation warping animation things that I was working on before, and this one's actually like works it works like magic if you have a forward animation and a backwards animation, and when it does have both of those, it automatically makes it look really nice. And what I've realized is most of the tutorials on YouTube, when they do an orientation warping node tutorial, they don't specifically tell you how it affects like the, what do you call it, the specific animations themselves. So like if you are moving backwards, you want to be playing a backwards moving animation. That way the orientation warping will work on both forward and backward. So I have two animations, forward and backward. The left and right are all done procedurally. So if I'm walking left, it automatically does that while playing the forward animation. Right as well. You see it kind of blends between the backward and the forward. And when I press back and left, it just seamlessly transitions into the backwards animation while keeping the strafing looking a lot more natural. Right now I have stride warping on, so like you can see like his foot does not slide as much. I couldn't get that to work for the AI as much as I thought I could. I think that's because the animation scale is a little bit different, and also the cadence at which the animation's happening did not really work well with the stride operation, but orientation warping works perfectly well on him. The reason why he looks a little janky right now as he's walking, especially when he's like walking backwards, when he's still playing the forward walking animation, it will be a quicker remedy than most. I'll just have to make a backwards animation for him, and it should work seamlessly fine. Anyways, that was not the topic. I just wanted to let people know that's how the orientation warping works in at least in Unreal Engine 5.1. And I have like an animation layer system, so like I'm using the same system for both my player characters and the AIs, so they can all inherit, like they have separate base animation blueprints, but then the animation layers that they use is very similar to how you would set up a player like in Lyra, because I used Lyra's like architecture for most of my design. I didn't exactly like modify the existing one. I took what I needed and made it on my own, because that was gonna help me get a little bit better with the gameplay ability system. That was my goal. I wanted to learn the gameplay ability system, have like a multiplayer prototype working. So yeah, that's what I've been up to. Remove breakpoint. Let's see if the character is blocked. Apply gameplay effect to owner. Execution will break at that location. Okay, cool. And this will happen after the block is triggered. So if the block is true, it basically ends this asynchronous task, so I can have more tasks over here if I needed to for future purposes. And before I end the task, I want to check if I'm applying the gameplay effect spec to the AI. So, bro, middle mouse click. Okay, there you go. Anyways, it's a directional block, so as long as he hits it, should work. So 1, 2, 3. Alright, man, it's not activating at all. It's not applying this, even though the block is happening. This trigger point is just not working. What if I did that here, just right after? Bugger, 1, 2, 3. Come on. Attack me. Yes! Okay, it is applying. So that's good to know. It is applying. So disable the breakpoint. Thanks, man. Thanks, Greg. Thank you, Greg. Just made my life so much easier, Greg. Breakpoints, man. Probably something I should have learned a while ago. Oh man. Gameplay effect probability. So this is getting triggered now. When I trigger this, gameplay queue can attack. On execute. Toggle breakpoint. I don't know what I just did there. Okay, that doesn't seem to work. Gameplay cues are kind of broken, huh? Cool. You know what? Control X that shit. Delete this on execute override. Just go with active on active. Gameplay queue notify. Here, maybe I can try it over here and see if this works. It is like just a one-off, so send it. Client access activation. Something tells me what happened to text? Ah, my print strings are not working, man. Turn off that require modifier success boolean, because the gameplay effect will fail every time since there is no modified attribute. Okay. Okay, my man coming in with the truth. I wish somebody fucking taught me that shit. No, 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 no. Thanks, man. Okay. Just gotta see if it works here. Toggle breakpoint. Attack me, bro. Nope. The Q does not execute. Which is weird, because I do have other Qs which do work. So let's look at how the instant damage works. So this one works on execute. It is... I am doing a cast to play the stagger or additive animation depending on my armor values. So what do I have for this one? Class settings, class defaults. Doing it on execute, so execute this. Nope, nope. What will this do? Auto attaching to owner. Wait, this is not the same class that I was working on. This one is already working perfectly fine. This is instant damage. It's this one that I have to worry about. Of pre-allocated instances. Give me a bit. Yep. That's why. Come on, come on. Gotta go shopping, man. Gotta go get myself some food, bro. I know why that error is. I just gotta fix execution levers for that. What if? What if? What if? What if? I did a big brain move. Get granted tags. Remove effects with granted tags. Anyways, man, might have to come back for this in a bit. Gonna go hang out with my roomie. Base. Dude, I know that if I just get this system working, I don't need to worry about, you know, making something else, something a lot more confusing. Just didn't want to do any of that. Stack any of this. That's all working. attack is just not working, man. Guess I'll come back to this later. Just gotta figure out why my print string is not working, number one. Maybe I just do a restart and it'll work perfectly fine. Let's see. Man, you must be like looking at my writer. You'll be like saying, dang, this dude has got like no code. And you're true. I literally got no code. Every time I look at these texts, my brain just like shuts down. I'm a visual learner, you know? You know what they say, bro? I'm a visual learner. Well, I like seeing noodles. Not the kind of noodles that you're thinking about. Okay, let's see if the print strings are back to working again. Okay, yeah, they are working. Switching equipment. Come on, come on, come on. Just want to see if the queue. Oh, whoa. Okay, it does work. The probability does apply. And okay, and you are receiving the event. I guess I just had to restart my engine to actually have it work, huh? It's kind of nasty, man. This bitch is kind of nasty, bro. So let's see. Gameplay abilities, AI attack base, that's what I need. That's the main one that I'm working on. I'll keep that to the left. We close down the project settings. I'm not messing with that a lot. Let's see. So the AI attack base does can attack. Let's keep this one in like green. Let's see. So I'm not receiving the can attack yet. I know the queue is getting executed. Let's see. So GC probability is working. That is when the queue gets initiated on the thing. So attack probability, that's the one. So this is working, and so is this. Apply GC probability. So I guess sending in the events is where I'm facing issues. So that would be player, sorry, no, AI base, handle attack probability, it sends this. Get instance, get child actor, it's just not sending it to the owner, maybe because the owner is the self. So just attack over here. What if I just do it here? If it sends the gameplay event. If it sends the gameplay event, it should apply the thing as well. Oop, okay, let's see. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Pull out my thing. Look at him until he focuses on me. 2 or 3 seconds. Attacks. Hit the thing. Just can't see anything because looking at the gameplay debugger. So it did apply the GC probability, but just didn't do the can attack. It did not receive this. Owner of this ability activates that. Send gameplay event to actor with useful payload data. What if I just had it send the gameplay event without like giving it an explicit actor to do it if I'm doing it on the base character myself? Because this one does not seem to be working, man. Like I'm trying to like send the gameplay event here with the cast on my target or like just the actor reference itself, but nada, not working. So this is working. So gameplay, cube, probability, and this one can do the interface call. Yes, it can. So on execute, this happens. Call an interface on my target. It's gonna be handle, attack probability message. Maybe I don't want it to have the damage dealer yet, so wait on that. Doing that, I'm just gonna send gameplay event to actor. I'm just gonna put self, get a reference to self. Gameplay queue. No. Event AI again attack. Maybe the simplest solution is the way to go, you know? Come on, man, attack me, bro. GC probability is triggering, but the event is still not getting sent. Some tells me if I just like switch it on and off, it'll work. How do I do the like the AI received block, man? Because that one worked. It's just this one does not. Hell no, it's not working. What will happen if I did not close that task? Maybe that's the problem. Nope, that does not seem to be the problem, bro. It's not even getting to switching on that event. That does not seem to work, dude. Nope. Still triggering the on execute. Hit me, man, hit me. Nope. What? Just go to his behavior tree and it's the random location that he knows to be somewhere like 200 meters. 200 meters, 200 units, 2 meters, my bad. 5 meters. Random location. So he attacks a little bit faster, you know? See probabilities happening. But not getting triggered. Nope. I think I know what the issue is. I don't think I can send references to self as good. Okay, so that works. see. Damn, Greg, okay. I get what you mean. I get what you mean, man. So let's see what happens. The AI... The Q calls, the can handle attack. Do I have any other Qs which are doing some bullshit like the same thing? And we can play. Yeah, get rid of this. Graph. Get rid of this. Non-active. Get rid of that because we want to execute. Then we can do the whole, you know, breakpoint debugging. Okay, calling a function can handle attack. So it does this, but it never goes here. Which I don't get, bro. Like, why? It's like, let's see, breakpoint, toggle breakpoint. It's just this one. It just does not trigger. Okay, send the gameplay event. Go to next, can handle attack. Just not receiving. Alright, I'm coming. Just give me 1 sec.